How to cultivate Sonchus Arvensis, Tempuyung leaf, for success for beginners. Tempuyung, Sonchus Arvensis, is one of the medicinal plants that have many benefits such as helping treat kidney stone disease, fever, and swelling. Gynecology in Tempuyung plants such as potassium, flavonoid, taraxosterol, irsitol and so forth. Other names include Tempuyung leaves of water radish, clay jombag, gallibug, lampis, and raya. Plants that can grow at a height of about 65 to 150 centimeters. This plant has a hairy and soft stems and hollow and gummy. A single, oval-shaped leaves with a pointed, purplish-green, smooth surface with wavy edges and irregularly jagged edges, has a eucutra about 6 to 48 centimeters long and 3 to 12 centimeters in length for the width. At the base, near the base of the stem, the toothed leaves are centered to form a rosette and which lie at the top of the intermediate to alternate hugging the stem. Leaves that are efficacious as a destroyer of kidney stones. Tempuyung flower has a panicle shape with petals like bell and crown shaped like a collection of needles, are white or yellow. Tempuyung belongs to the Asteraceae tribe that grows in areas with an altitude of 50 to 1600 meters above sea level and has uneven rainfall throughout the year or areas with short dry seasons. As a wild plant, Tempuyung can also be cultivated in the yard. Here's how to plant or cultivate Tempuyung leaf plant. 1. Preparation of Tempuyung planting land. Land to be used for planting or cultivation of leaf Tempuyung is processed first. Make beds 20 centimeters to 30 centimeters with the length of beds adjusted to the land. After that, do basic fertilization by using organic fertilizer. 2. Preparation of seeds of Tempuyung leaf. Choose a good seed. Seeds have grown with a height of 10 centimeters or has been around 2 months, has 4 leaves. 3. How to plant Tempuyung leaf. If all is ready, then do the planting. Plant the seeds into the planting hole with a depth of about 5 centimeters. After that, solid the ground around the base of the seedlings. Seeds until the seedlings are planted with a spacing of about 30 to 40 centimeters. 4. How to maintain Tempuyung. Although this Tempuyung plant can grow at any place, but Agara Tempuyung leaf plants can grow well when poorly done intensive care such as watering, weeding, embroidery and fertilization and pest control. 5. Tempuyung leaf harvest period. The best harvest time for Tempuyung is before the flowering plants, so that will get maximum vegetative growth. The first harvest is usually done when the plant leaves Tempuyung 2.5 to 3 months. Harvesting Tempuyung leaves is very easy, that is by cutting the leaves and stems to the base by using scissors or sharp knife. This plant will soon grow with new buds and leaves grow. So we are talking about Tempuyung leaf cultivation method, Sonchus Arvensis, for success for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.